Which statements regarding independent events are true? There is more than one correct answer choice. Select all correct answer choices. A and B are independent if the probability of A equaling 3/4, the probability of B equals 1/3, and the probability of A and B equals 1/4. So we're going to see this one. We're going to check to see probability of A and B is 1/4. So we're going to see, whoops, where did it go? 1/4. Does that equal probability of A is 3/4, probability of B is 1/3. So we can jump over here and check. 3/4 times 1/3. And some of you are going to notice right here, 3 divided by 3 would reduce down to 1, which would leave us 1/4. So 1/4 equaling 1/4. Yep, that is true. So that one's correct. So then we can go back and check again. So probability of A and B is 3/10. And probability of A is 3/8. Probability of B is 1/5. So let's check to see if those are 3/8 times 1/5 comes out to be 3/10. So 3/8 times 1/5. Now you may be thinking, well, nothing is reducing, and that's okay. So that equals 3/40, which is not 3/10. So no, that one's not independent. So probability of A and B is 1/8. Does that equal 5/8 times 1/5? Well, we can go and check it out.
Mama?
5/8 times 1/5. Now some of you are noticing again right here, 5 divided by 5 reduces down to 1. So this does come out to be 1/8. So yes, those are independent. So then we see on this next one, probability of A and B is 1/8. Probability of A is 3/8. So let's check that. Does that equal 3/8 times 1/3? So does 3/8 times 1/3 equal 1/8? Some of you might have been catching on to a pattern that if these are going to be independent, then the number in the numerator has to match the number in the denominator of one of them, and that is a correct observation. If one of the numbers in the numerator is 1. So this is also true.